Alhamdulillah, summa salatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahabihi wa mawala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another series of our training. In our previous training, we've talked about how to design a website. So today, inshallah rahman, we are going to talk about how to create a form that people are going to be filling on your website for anybody that have interest or want to buy what you are selling or your service. So how to create the form and how to add it to your website, I'm going to show you everything. Now, this is our goal level as usual. You come to sites again. We are still working on sites. After clicking on site, instead of coming to the funnels, so you go to forms. Then you click on builder. So you click on builder. You know, when you are working on funnels, we have templates for that. So for the form too, you can easily use funnel. You can easily use templates, or you can start from scratch. So you click on add form. By clicking on add form, so let's pick start from scratch. So you click on it. After clicking on it, so it's going to show up. So this is our form, how to design, how to create a form. So now here, the first thing to do is to name it. You are going to give your form a particular name. So because that name is what you'll be using to differentiate it from all the forms that you'll be having. Let me say car form. So saved. Now, this is our form that we want to use. So this is first name, last name. So if you want their name to be together, you can easily delete this one. Just delete it. Click on this. Then it depends on the information that you want to take from them. So this is full name. You just drag it and paste it here. You can use it very easy. Just drag, copy and paste. After that, okay, I want their phone number and maybe I want their email too. So now this phone number is required. That's why it's as stars. So this name too, I want to make it required. Just click on it and come to the right hand side here. Required. Then you click on it. So all this, I don't need them. Click on this. Then you delete this. So after email, what else? Maybe I'm doing home delivery, for example, and the client that wants to buy the car want me to deliver it to him. So it means that I'll be needing their address. You just come here and click on address. Then you drag it. Then you paste it here. You paste it here. So under the address, I'm having a street address, city, state, and all of that. So just click on it and come here. I don't need the postal code. Just remove it. Do you get? So okay, I need the street address, city, and all of that. So and I want to make it required too. Just click on street address. So you make it required. You close it. You click on city. So you make it required. Then you close it. You click on state. So you make it required too. Then you close it. Then country. So the country too, you make it required. Then you close it. So with this, we are having the address. So after that, maybe they are going to make payments online. Maybe half payments or any payment. Do you get my point? So, and you want them to make the payments. If you want them to make the payments, no problem. Or maybe they've already made payments. And you want them to upload their what's it called? Their proof of payment. You can still add that. Or maybe you are designing a website for a particular, maybe school or any other thing, and you want them to upload a particular document, maybe the birth certificate, NIN, maybe their pictures. You just want them to upload a particular document. So how are you going to add it to your post, to your form? Just come here. You just scroll down. So file upload. So you click on it and you drag it here. So that's it. So then the name of the file, maybe you are a kind of person that is working for, you have a CBT center. You are registering WAEC and NECO for students. Do you get my point? And you have a website. So under your form, you want them to upload maybe their NIN. Just come here, you change the label. So you just type maybe upload your NIN, for example. Do you get my point? Then you make it required. So I just show you that so that you can know how to do that. So since we are not requesting for any documents here, so you just delete it. There's no problem with that. Let's delete it. So let's assume this is what you want to use. You just come here and play around it. So we have a lot of elements you can add to your form. So you can add anything that you want. So maybe you want the client to explain a specific kind of car that they want. You get my point? Just come here. So here you can drag this multiple lines so that you can write anything that you want. You click on it and you come here. Then you ask them, describe your car choice. Let's see that. Can you see now? Then you make it required. So that they can talk about maybe the color and all of that. So after that, so this privacy and terms, you don't need it to. You delete it. Then you click on submit. So this is submit. Let's see. Maybe if it is good like this, okay, you can easily leave it and you can easily increase it. This is 15. Let's see 30. Can you see now? So then you leave it. Then you save. So this is how to create our form. So after creating form, do you get my point? So how are you going to now add it to our website? So that's what I'm going to show you right away. So now our form is saving already. So after saving, then we head back to our website that we've designed already. Do you get my point? So that's how you are going to do it. So after saving, sorry about that. So I need to let me save it again. Okay, I think if you're having this error, we try again. Is either I'm having a particular form that is having car form. Yes, I think it has car form. So let me change it. Let me say car form. Let me add Uber to it and let's see. So if you're having a particular name for a form before and you want to use it again, so it won't save. It means that it has saved now. Can you see? So after that, now let's go back. So we are going back to our website so that we can add it to our website. So now that we are done creating our forms, so we now go back to funnels. Then the website that you are working on, instead of searching looking for it, just click on this recent icon. So it will show the recent website that you are working on, and this is it, Auto Dealers. Can you see now? Auto Dealers. Then you click on it. After clicking on it, then you click on edit in a new tab. So we want to go and add our form to our website. So that's where we are going now. Okay, it's loading up now. Alright, so there is our website that we designed already. And I'm going to show you how to add the form to it now. So this is it. Okay, can you see? So this is it. Now you now scroll down. You go down. So because our form is going to be down, down, down. Although you can place it anywhere you like, oh, no problem with that. Aha. So now I want to add the form as usual. So you click on this, the last section here. You click on the plus sign. After clicking on it, so I want to use 2 column. The meaning of 2 column, 1 column is that I want to use 1 column rather. 2 column, 1 column is that. For example, now let me show you something. Let me go back. Let me go back up a little bit. So this one, this testimonials here. This testimonial here. They use what? They use 4 columns. They use 3 columns here. Because this is a column, this is another column, and this is another column. So that's the meaning of columns. So it depends on what you want to use. And mind you, if you want to use video, it's still the same thing now as you are uploading. Maybe you want to use a video so that people can see it. Do you get my point? Just click on it. You click here. So you can easily use 1 column. If it is 1 column. So after clicking on 1 column, then you click on add elements. by clicking on add element, then you now search for video. And if it is image, you pick image. If it is image, you pick image. If it is video, you pick video. So by clicking on video, so we have two ways of using our videos here. If the videos you want to use has been posted on YouTube already, you just go to your YouTube account, YouTube channel, and copy the link of that video. Do you get my point? So you click on this and come here. If the video type you want to use is YouTube, you just paste the link to it, then you save it. So anytime people is clicking on it, it will be showing there. But if the video is on your phone, maybe you record the video. Do you get my point? You just click on hosted video. By clicking on hosted video, so it's going to ask you to select the video file. So the video file, if you're having it here, you just copy it. If you don't have it here, you just upload it. Do you get my point? And even you can easily add thumbnail. Do you get my point? So that's how to add a video. So then now let's go back to our form. So now, since you are done creating our form and I want to add it to my website, just come here, you come down. So to the last section here, you click on the plus sign. By clicking on it, so I want to add form. So this is the form that I want to add. You click on form. You know we've already created our form. So by clicking on it, after picking form, do you get my point? So it's going to ask us to add the form here. So you just click on it. Can you see? Select your form. So the name of our form is what? Car form Uber. So this is it here. So that's why I said you shouldn't forget the name. So car form Uber. So you click on car form Uber. So it's going to show up now. Can you see? These are form. So now all the buttons that we are having on this website, I want to direct them to the form. Meaning that if any client click on get started now, it's going to take them to the form straight away. So just click on this. After clicking on it, so you now scroll down here. You scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down. So button action, what the action you want it to take. Instead of next step, so you click on it. Instead of next step, you click on scroll element. So then what's the scroll element that you want to use? That is form. So you click on form. It means that if anybody click on that get started now, it's going to take them to the form directly. So you click on form. Can you see now? Then you go to another button. Make sure you do all the buttons like that. It's not that if you add one button, it's going to work for all that. No, you add it one by one. So you come here again. Instead of next step, you click on it, you pick scroll elements. So then you pick form. You click on form. Click on form. So that's how you are going to do all the words, all the buttons. So now let's save. So now after saving, if anybody fills in this form now and they click on submit, where exactly did I want this button to direct them to? So there's something we call thank you page, because you need to appreciate your client. So if any clients fill the form now, they have interest on your product and they click on submit. So I want this submit button to direct them to the thank you page in which you are going to work on now. Do you get my point? So now you click on this form, then you come here. So you come here, then you go to next step. So next step is our what? Is our thank you page. Then you save it. We are going to try it out now. So you are going to save it. After saving it, then we preview it. So it's saving up now. It has been saved. So let me preview. So this is our website. So now if I click on this get started now, this will direct me straight to the form. So now let me fill it out. So let me fill it out. I'll fill everything. Okay. Nigeria. Then describe your car. I want Venza color, let me say color black. So then I'll click on submit. Okay, country is required. Can you see? That's the work of required stuff that we are talking about. So then I'll search for Nigeria. So this is Nigeria. I'll pick it. Then I'll submit. So by submitting, it's going to direct me to the thank you page. So the thank you page is the last thing we are going to do, because you need to design the line thank you page too. So this is going to be the thank you page. Do you get my point now? So that's the thank you page. So now, since we are done with that, so the only thing that remains now is the what? Is the thank you page. So now let's go to our thank you page. We go back. So this is the landing page and the thank you page. You now click on thank you page. After clicking on it, then you edit it. Then you design. So after designing it, then you save. Then we are done with designing our website. Okay. Alright, it's loading now. Okay, so this is our thank you page. Can you see? So now we are going to design our thank you page now. So the logo, since we have added our logo to the home page, so I don't think we need it here anymore. So you can easily what? You can easily delete it. You can easily delete this. You don't need it. So thank you for booking a call with us. Looking forward. So you can easily do that. So we can do that. So just delete. So thank you for your booking, if it is booking a call, or thank you for having interest in our what? In our service or in our product. So you can delete this. So what client says about us, I don't think we need all this. You get my point. It depends on how you want it. So you just design everything, then you what? Then you save. Then you save. So after saving it, so we are done with creating our website. So now let's go back and preview it again. So here is it. Then you can preview it from here, review page. So we are done with our website. So this is how to design website and how to add form, and everything is working perfect. So this is how you are going to do it. So make sure you practice it, and your assignment, you design the website and you drop the link. So how are you going to drop the link? After viewing it, this is the link you are going to drop here. You just copy this link and drop it to the group. I'm going to review it for you and make necessary correction. So make sure you practice. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.